Good morning, Ken Hat. How have you been doing? Shut up, you ugly yellow mother beep. Who are you talking to? You look like Pikachu. Why are you so mean to Mr. Squiggles? Look at you, you're ugly. You got a big, like, little poo stain on your face. I was born with it. You should be talking. I had an accident, thank you very much. Big Smoke in the house. Your name is Conk. Shut up, fool. Sound like a settled on my dog tag or something. Why, I oughta... That me, bruh. What the... Take that! Take that! You missed me. Go, John Cena, smile on you. Oh, the knockout blow. Attitude adjustment. You can't see me. Pikachu! I knew you was Pikachu! I knew it! Did I tell you? I knew it! Yeah!